Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be working with NAYOO hair and I'm going to show you this beautiful headband wig. So I'm just showing you quickly what I got in the box: some headbands, 4 headbands, wig cap, and the wig, of course. This is their Burgundy synthetic headband wigs, and of course inside you do have the 4 combs, one at the top, one at the bottom, and 2 at the sides. Honestly guys, the texture of this wig, I'm really impressed with it, because when I took it out of the pack, I'm like, are they sure this is even a synthetic wig? I actually went ahead and put my flat iron on it just to test a strand to prove that it was synthetic, and yes, it is. So you can't be flat iron or anything like that, so don't go put no flat iron on the hair. Right, so I'm just quickly installing it, and it took me like maybe 2 minutes to put this on. So this is a wig that anyone can wear. It's really simple, and I'm just going to show you quickly. Oh, I forgot to tell you, it also has the Velcro straps on there, and when I tell you that Velcro strap sticks, it sticks. So you can make it how tight or how loosely you want it to be. I'm going to be showing you each of the headbands. I got 4, as I mentioned before. The colors are beautiful, and I think the quality of the headband is very durable as well. And I'm just going to be showing you some styles as well that you can do with this headband wig. All the information on this hair and also the link will be in the description box, so you can feel free to check it out. If you're new to this channel, you can feel free to go ahead and subscribe down below. Join the family, turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. And if you're not new, welcome back to my returning subscribers. All these styles I'm going to be showing you are really quick and simple, and also self-explanatory, so you can just comment down below to let me know which one of them you like. that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.